So if you got a Chevy truck and you need to get in here and work under the hood, check this trick out. This works great. You can trust me, I'm a mechanic. Ta-da, Chevrolet. All right, so this is an 06 right here. I know it works on this and the 2002 Chevy Avalanche. Right here, we got the hood spring. And if you come down here, what does that look like right there? You see that hole in the hood? So you can take this bolt out, put it right down in there, and the hood will stand straight up like this so you can get under the engine compartment and work on the engine. It's called service position. Y'all ever get in service position? So these trucks, it's hard to get up under the hood on these Vortec V8 engines. There ain't much real estate under there. You know, when you get up under there, you start bumping your head. You gotta kind of sit on top of the core support, on top of the radiator. Not fun. Oh man. Just like this right here. Yeah, so y'all know how it goes. Gotta kind of get up in here. We're gonna get this thing in service position, see how much better it is, but yeah, this will hurt your back all day. Trust me, I've done it enough. Yeah. All right, so don't take the nut all the way off, just leave it on there just a little bit like that, then we can get in here and swap it. You can see it's the same as the other side right there. Be careful though, it's under a lot of pressure. We don't want that thing to fall. Ah, shit, that just broke. All right, there you go. Check it out. So we got it in service position now. We got almost 90 degrees, you know, just about. So now I can sit up under here just like this, no problem, plenty of headroom, and we're not gonna hit our head when we're working under the hood. So that's gonna help out big time when we get up under here and sit up under here. But I will tell you, go ahead and disconnect the ground strap that goes to the hood right here, or else you're gonna pop it and break it. I gotta put a new end on there, it's whatever. But we got the bolt in the back right here, tighten it down a little bit, 13 millimeter. So you can kind of close them up a little bit, get in here, close it up, just about like that, you know, maybe put a tarp or something if you're outside, keep the rain up out of there, but we don't want it closed. We're working on it. Keep it open, just like that. Service position, who would have thunk it? Pretty cool, right guys? That's it for the video. Get in here, get that hood popped up straight. If you got to work up under there, you don't have to take the hood off. Trust me, it's not fun taking the hood off of these. Not that bad, but you know, it's heavy and unnecessary. Now you can get it out of the way. You can even pull the motor like this. Put it in there like that, pull the motor, get it out. You're good to go. Drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget, let me know down below. Y'all ever put your truck in service position? Y'all ever have to get in service position? I want to know down below. Don't forget, subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Plenty more coming. Later.